Hey guys, it's your buddy Rome. Today we're going to take a look at a really cool air purifier that was sent out to me. Now this is going to be ideal for my laser engravers out there, as well as those of you that are doing some 3D printing and probably a number of other projects that you'll be able to utilize this. We're going to take this back to the back desk. I'm going to show you guys exactly what comes in the box, and I'm going to show you a quick application using one of my lasers, showing you guys how well this air purifier actually works. Y'all ready? Y'all ready? Let's go. Okay guys, what you're looking at here is the FC-2001X. This is the actual air purifier. We're going to come back to this in a second. Let me show you guys exactly what comes in the box as far as accessories go. So you will be supplied with a number of accessories that are going to be, important for you to get this guy set up. So first thing in the box is going to be your retractor hose. All right, as you guys can see, it's kind of an accordion style like most of these hoses. And this is just going to fit right over the end of the air purifier. And it's also going to connect to the other end of whatever it is you want to be able to connect this to. So it's really nice. That's included. You also get these little, what do you call these? These little clamps to attach this to whatever it is you're going to be attaching the hose to. You get four of these filters. Now these are the pre-filters. You get 4 of these pre-filters, and I'll show you guys how you use those here in just a second. You also receive your power brick, and this is just a standard barrel plug. So let me show you guys around this air purifier a little bit. So right here on the top, as you guys can see, we have our power button, we have our 3 speeds, and you have your plus and minus for adjusting the speed of the air purifier. Very sleek design. I do like that. Aesthetically, this looks really nice. Now here on the back is where the hose is going to attach, and this is also where you're going to put in your pre-filter. So this little section right here just kind of pops out like so, and then you're going to take one of your pre-filters and you're going to place that pre-filter in like so. This will probably be easier if you do it from a different position, but you guys get the idea. So there's our pre-filter now installed. And then this just fits right back on like so. Just going to press this in, make sure all of these 4 sections are connected like that. All right, so when it comes to the power, this is just going to plug in right here at the base. Simple little barrel plug, and you're just going to connect this to AC power. All right, so let's go ahead and get this guy set up, connected to one of my lasers, and do a quick little job so I can show you guys exactly how this works. All right, guys, so there you have it. As you guys can see, even in engraving on acrylic in this laser, the air purifier was able to trap all of the different fumes that were coming from this laser. So yes, I can give this my stamp of approval. I think this is going to be an excellent air purifier. And just in case you guys didn't know, I am powering this off of a portable battery. So that means this is very efficient when it comes to power usage. So you'll be able to take this out on location if you're doing some, trade shows and things like that using one of these lasers. So I do like this new laser air purifier. And if you guys are looking for a compact air purifier that's going to be travel friendly, this might be exactly what you're looking for. All right, guys, I've been your buddy Rome with Rome Knows Tech, and I will catch you all in the next video. Until then, stay safe. Peace. I'm out.